Understand? And I just wake up and hate Ollah. I've been a friend to him for a whole year.
Yeah.
Even when people hated him, I was his friend.
Yeah.
Why would I just wake up and say, Ollah, you understand? Then the next thing is what song Buddha. I see. There's celebs, I post some lines and I know that. I disappear, Mama, a lot of things noisy song. I didn't to those at the end of the day, you know what, Mama Ollah. I grew up listening to dancehall music. Couldn't turn to sting to Jamaica. Even if we put one of my battles. One thing about me is I'm also an artist. I also have a talent. I'm also lyrically gifted. If you think you can step on me and I won't step on you just because you've got better numbers and better people, that's a lie. Watch out at your side of the story. I will have to say my side of the story. And people say New Chapter was a decent. That wasn't a district. That wasn't a district at all. That was a reply to a district.
Oh, okay.
That was a response.